Hey, good afternoon to you. Chuck here at Pals. So we have an F-150 here, and the seat on the driver's side and the driver's side mirror were not working. Well, they are both located on the same circuit. So we did our initial checks at the fuses, and the fuses were all good on that circuit. So we have to track down a reason why we have no power to the control module on the driver's side of the vehicle. So wiring problems can be very complex. They can be this complex. In order to track this down, Lester has had to basically take the interior out of the car, because somewhere in between this location right here and over there, we've got a break in a wire that's not allowing it to get any power over to that module. So as you can see, wiring problems can be extremely technical, and actually they can be very rough to work with, time consuming. But if you have an electrical problem, bring it to Pals. We'll go the extra mile in trying to get that problem fixed. Hope to see you soon at Pals.